So the question for this video presentation is you have a name in mind for your Singapore company and you want to check if that name is available and how you can go about it and check the name. So this can be easily done from the BizFile portal and I will show that to you. So let's head over to internet browser. While on the internet browser, access the website www.bizfile.gov.sg and then hover your cursor on buy information and business profile. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to check if the name of the company has already been used, and if it is not already used, then most likely it is available for our use. That's the conclusion. So I'm going to type in our company name Epica, but instead of saying consulting I will take something else. For example, I will say employment solutions and then click on search. So the system will take some time and will return the list of companies. So no matching record has been found, and that means Epica Employment Solutions as a name is most likely available. Now let me check Epica as single word and I will search, and you will notice this time it returns lot of results. So you notice here that when I search on Epica as a word, it not only returns the list of companies having Epica as an independent word, but it also shows me words where Epica has been used as a part of one of the word. So Epica Consulting is there, then there is Epica Credit, there is Epica Design and so on. So most likely if I check Epica alone, it will not get approved because the word Epica has been used in the name of many companies. So this is the easiest way in which you can check if your company name is available. Now before I go back to the presentation, I am going to check some unique name. So I am checking Forestex because one of the client has approached me to check this name. So it says no matching record has been found and most probably this name is available for my client. Now coming back to the presentation, there are few additional points which I will highlight. And the first point is that BizFile portal can confirm the availability of name. The confirm means you can actually buy only when you try to book the name. So what I have just now done is I have only checked whether companies with similar name exist. However, BizFile portal uses some other artificial intelligence methods by which it decides whether the name is allowed or not. For example, instead of Epica Consulting, if I use the word which is synonym to the word consulting, then in that case, system will still disallow using that name because it closely resembles with Epica Consulting. That is the first point. The second point is that if you try to book the names which are very big brand names in the market, for example, you try to book the name of Apple or Google or maybe Samsung or something like that, then again the system will throw that application out saying that a big corporate brand with this name already exists. So the key point to note here that what availability we see on BizFile portal is kind of 70 to 80% confirmation, but the actual result is known only when we try to book the name. The second point to note is single word company names are quite difficult to get nowadays unless they are very unique or modified like the Forestex what I showed. For example, getting the name Epica Pty Limited will be very difficult as compared to getting the name Epica Consulting Pty Limited, and getting Epica Consulting Solutions Pty Limited will be even easier. So normally I recommend to the clients to have the name which consists at least two words in the name like Epica Consulting. And the last point that I want to highlight is on the websites of some of the corporate service providers, that is the companies like ours, you will find a tool to check if the name is available. Now don't use those tools because those tools are not reliable. What basically they do is they buy the list of names of the companies from some website and load it onto their website. So if the company has been created in last 2 or 3 months, that data will not be available for check on their website. What it means is you might check and it might say that name is available, but if somebody has incorporated company with similar name in last 2 months, the system will still give you error. So this is the easy way in which you can check if the name that you plan to use is available for use in Singapore or not.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.